Hello doll friends, and welcome to our channel, Nene and Sophia, where we do doll things, especially Barbies and Monster High and Rainbow High and Illy Forever. I've been really into that lately, and maybe some Disney dolls. But we do focus on fashion dolls, and I haven't, it's been like probably a week since I did a video because just been really busy lately. It's back to school time. I teach, and Sophia's been having some homework. So I just have a lot of stuff that I'd like to share and I'd like to discuss. And so I thought I'm going to go into the doll room tonight and make a video of something that I got from Mattel like a week and a half ago. And I'm really surprised at my constraint of not rushing to open it. But like I said, it's been busy. And when I get dolls, I really want to take my time and be able to open them and look at them and share them with you. So I did order the Swirl Ponytail Barbie that Mattel came out with not too long ago. And so I just popped the top of the box open so I could, not have to get the scissors out and all that, but I haven't looked inside yet. And there seems to be, gosh, just so much stuff out there right now. I was looking today and I saw the Wicked dolls, and I was really excited about those. Those look really pretty. Okay. So here's our tissue, and here is our box. And one of the reasons I was super excited when I saw this, I was like, yes, I've got to put a reminder on my phone, and I need to make sure that I get her, is because I have been wanting a Swirl Ponytail Barbie for some time now. I have some early 60s ponytail Barbies. Yeah, I've got a blonde, I've got a redhead, I've got a brunette with the curly bangs, but I wanted a swirl tail. And if I find one that's affordable, like either, lose the auction, I'm not paying, I don't get on there and, bid when I should, or it's too expensive, or they're so damaged, I'm not sure if I can get them back to, a nice look. So I was super excited to see this reproduction. So let's look on the back of the box. There's some writing here that says Swirl Ponytail Barbie is named for the sleek side sweep or swirl hairstyle that replaced her sweet looking signature bangs in 1964. Barbie is dressed in a vintage replica of the Black Magic Ensemble, an elegant LBD inspired by an outfit from Ruth Handler's personal wardrobe, accessorized with black gloves, a gold clutch, classic peep toe shoes, and wrapped in a tulle cape. She is the epitome of an enchanted evening. This doll features a silkstone body in a vintage sculpt. That is perfect because I know that Skipper is 1964, but I guess I didn't realize that the Swirl Ponytail replaced the bangs in 1964, because 1964 is when I was born, so that's kind of makes that special too. So I definitely needed to add that to my collection. And this Black Magic outfit, I really like vintage fashion, but of course it has held up so well. The stitching in it is so lovely. But this particular outfit is hundreds of dollars, like when you tried to look for it or if you can find it at all. So it was like very exciting that this was one of the outfits that they chose. And that platinum hair, oh my goodness. So here she is. She is just so lovely. And let's take her out of the box and take a closer look. Okay, I have her out of the box. And she has a couple little flyaways up here, but you know, I guess that's okay. That's to be expected. She does have some product back here on her hair to help hold that little curl in there at the end. See, she's got a couple little pieces poking out here at the top. I'll have to put some gel in or something to hold those down. She has a very pretty pink lip with some gloss on it, and you know, the blue eyeshadow, the traditional blue eyeshadow. I feel like the lip is a little lighter than what was original. She has this tulle cape that mentioned in the description, and it is trimmed in ribbon and ties up here at the top. And then she has those little classic black pumps, and I don't know if you can see, she's got some pink toenails. Don't know, I was going to see if maybe you can see her fingernails. If we take off her glove, oh, I think the gloves are kind of got a little bit of glue or something on them. I think yeah, that's unfortunate. Okay, she does have painted fingernails, but so, you know, and I know these are collector dolls and those probably aren't made to be removed, but if you can see, it's got has the little sticky tack stuff, and it got some black off the glove and sticking to her hand. The dress is kind of a taffeta fabric. And look at, this is one of the things I always loved about the vintage fashion, the little zipper in the back. I think that is awesome and just such a nice little detail. She does come with a stand and a certificate of authenticity that says she's a gold label doll. So yeah, I've got like a few dolls that are wearing like black and stuff, and I'm going to add her in with that. She does have the plastic up in here to kind of keep this from fading onto her legs. So I need to put her little glove back on so we can display her. But I'm very pleased with her because, like I said, I've been wanting one with this hairstyle for a while, and it's nice to know that it was 1964. That's pretty a pretty fun coincidence. I think that that's all for today. I really appreciate you joining me, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you will get a notification when we get some new videos, and it's my goal to get started now. We've got the first couple weeks of school in, and I think that, you know, I want to get back to spending a little bit more time in my doll room. Don't forget that you can also follow us on Instagram at Nene_Sophia. And I think that that's all for today. So don't forget that no matter how many trips you've taken around the sun, you should always take time to play and have some fun. And until next time, this has been Nene. See ya.